People, we are at the site, and as you can see, uh, so we are installing the cameras all around, and once they're done, I'm gonna show you the whole gig. But essentially, we connected an NVR there, a network switch here, and some cameras, more cameras are being installed outside now, and then later we can install the interior cameras. So, oh, this camera, as you can see, is already connected. Very nice view. So you can see the place. So the site work is still ongoing on, and then the work of securing the area is ongoing. So in case you have this interested in this, you want us to do for you this installation of these are the latest 4 megapixel cameras, 4 megapixel cameras. We do sell this in case you're interested, and we also have NVRs in case you're interested in NVR patch panel. So all this will be connected inside and outside, and we have even more. We'll add more. But apart from that, we are going to do the intruder, and then after the intruder, we're going to do the music. So for now, what is going on is just the security, the cameras, the intruder alarm, and of course the lighting. The lighting was already we 99% complete, except now the automation part of it. We can call it 5% or 1%, and then from there we'll be able to hand over everything, and we'll be able to hand over to the owner the whole setup. So we're looking forward to finish this job. I'm excited. And so for a brand new installation, it's always exciting when you have a new setup. Everything is new, nothing is going wrong. And then let's see the cameras, as you can see. Okay, I can just show you, for example, these cameras. I just showed you. Let me show you the Shandaria. And you can see, you can imagine the crystal clear view of the cameras. You cannot see from this view actually. You cannot see from this view, and the cameras, they are very nice. And the good thing also with this camera is it has day and night IR. So, and also voice. There's also option for voice, so you can be able to capture voice as well. From this side, I think you can be able to see. Let me see whether from this section also you can be able to see, because essentially if you have a switch, you should be able to view from many sides, many points. Let me see. So that's my colleague. He is mounting a camera on that side. So what you see, I think they say misconfiguration from this section. So I'll have to see what is the issue with that. Okay, I think we have to add cameras, but they already added their online, so I suppose it's just adding them to the channel that is remaining. So we're just seeing the status, filtering them by status, and then last view. Okay, I see that. We should have like 4 cameras connected, I guess. So let's see if we can be able to see. But I think there's a latency on this. I think this connection, because I'm connecting using this. Those who know this cable, this HDMI. You can connect to HDMI. Actually, maybe. Okay, it won't work. So this one I have to connect with a monitor. The NVR, the 32 channel NVR comes with so this is the NVR box. As you can see, high definition VGA and HDMI, gigabit Ethernet neck, so it has a gigabit internet, so you can be able to stream HD content because the cameras themselves, they are HD. You can also be able to transmit HD content. Roughly 4 megapixel cameras, so you can expand. This is 32. This is 16 port NVR HK vision, and also you can expand it with the port. So for this setup, for example, you can have like 32 cameras. 32 cameras just now because the ports are enough. Because in this switch, you have a switch here. Let me show you. You have a switch here. So this network switch can carry additional 8 cameras. As you can see, you can have additional 8 cameras, and then all powered. This all powered from the PoE points, and then good to go. So I hope you like it. I think still new camera. I think I have to remove the wrap. Okay. So for now, let it remain like that, since then there's another camera here, I guess. Oh yeah, showcasing. Oh, let us show the chandelier. Can see the chandelier, can see myself, and I hope you love the place. Just let me show you around the place. So you can see around the place. You can be able to see around the place. So this is the full view of the camera. Full view of the camera. So this is the dome camera, situated for the. So this camera is suitable for indoor, and it has a 2.8 millimeter lens, and manufactured this year actually. Manufactured this year, and the good thing with it, it comes with a flashlight. It has a flashlight, and so that's it. In case you have any query, you have any question on how we go about this, please hit on us. And then if you want the training, we can give you a free training, and then you see. In case we have a new site. For this site now, I guess it will be tricky because of security issues. But generally, in case you have a query, you have any issue, the most important thing if you want to become a CCTV installer is to understand basic IP networking skills. For example, these cameras, the one you can see here. Let me see whether my sound will improve by using these Philips headphones, and then hope you love the music from that light. So the music is coming from this light, this chandelier. You see, it has a beautiful ceiling speaker. Beautiful ceiling speaker. So work is still ongoing. We have a rack there. We are yet to mount the rack. But soon we are going to finish all the work. So today we are doing the CCTV, and I hope you will enjoy the setup. So you understand computer networking. So the cameras must be on the same LAN. They must be on the same network LAN. And then the laptop, as you can see, you must give it, whether you're connecting with the Wi-Fi, you must be able to port forward that network port. You must be able to port forward that port, or open the port to, not secure to open ports, but must be on the same LAN, as you can see from here. And we have more cameras actually, I think, because they have not been added. For example, now here I have a camera. I can add another one, an extra camera for setup. Let me add. Oh, this one camera has been added. This bullet camera has been added. So, and let me see whether I can. This one is still not installed. This one we have already installed. And oh, there is another one here. Oh, there is this camera here. You can install this one. You have a look at it. This one. Let me just connect a patch code. Yeah, you have a patch code. Okay, just give it a patch code, and then you're good to go. Let me show you. can see they lit. Once they are connected, they lit. They have a flash because at night they work. They are all colored. And the setup, that's the setup. So you'll have more cameras later. As the whole setup is finished, you're able to see it and enjoy the view. So let me just place it there. So to add it, I just come to the. So to add it, I can add it from this section or this section from the computer. Just come to the configuration part of it, and then I see whether I can be able to see. So I'll have to add the camera using the IP address. So let me see. It should be on auto mode. The modern cameras, they have quick add. It's able to add the cameras by able to scan the camera and give it IP address. So this NVR is latest. So let me see whether it is able to detect connected cameras. Not. I think I have to add manually. Manually. So using our tool here, we must be able to discover the camera. So the trick here is to get the IP address of the camera, which it has auto assigned to the camera, and then from there be able to add it. But essentially it's the same principle. Once you are able to add the camera, you just come here, get the IP address, and then put the IP address here, and then give it a password, and then leave the rest as default, and you're good to go. So you're good to go. And then the camera will just be visible here. So for this one, I think I can connect it to this. So since it is the camera, and cannot be able to configure it from there, let me just change it. Quick. Let me just plug it to the switch so that you can be able to give it as quick IP address. I can be able to give it so I have plugged it there so that I can be able to give it an IP address. Just want to know its IP address. Let me see its IP address. It will make the installation work easier if you are able to add it to the system, to the NVR, using this software. Oh man, it's taking forever to scan. Just seeing the NVR. This is a IP address, and this is a MAC address. Should be the MAC address of the default gateway is 00. Hasn't been changed. This is a device type. The MAC address should be on this side. Yeah. So this is you can see this is a serial number of the camera. Yeah. So let's go to the so it's 20. Just give it a 20, then you're able to add it to the system. Let me add it quickly. Then you go to this tool. After logging into the, just let me add it quick. And then I give it password. Can give it same password as this. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Later I'll change it, so don't worry. So don't worry about security. It'll have to be changed. So you can see the camera now so it was, the IP address was 20. It should be online now. It should get online now. You guys, I guess now the camera is online. So the camera just went online. Let's see whether it will just. But I can see on it here 3 cameras. I ought to see many cameras. But let's go to the live. I ought to see this camera. Yeah, the camera went live. Yeah, camera went live. But this camera, as you can see, wait. Not yet. It is still not live, but I think because of the MAC addressing issue, a subnetting issue, I have to put it back there on the NVR. Let's see whether oh man. But the cameras, they are wonderproof for that matter. The cameras, they are wonderproof. Just a second, Eric. Just a second. So camera should be on now. Yes, the cameras, they are built to be weatherproof, IP65 outdoor camera, so in case even you smash on it, it shouldn't be affected. HK Vision has built a reputation of, you can see the camera is live. The camera we just installed, and then I think this is the other one. Wait. Let me see. So this camera was supposed to be on, but let me see. So anyway, but that's the procedure anyway. You understand the procedure. You just connect with it, and then you make sure that the switch and this network switch and that NVR, sorry, they're on the same IP subnet. So the IP configuration, once it is done properly, I'll do this one later, because this is a new setup actually. As you can see, the NVR is still new, and then I haven't configured everything. So I'll configure it, and then you can be able to connect on any port, because I suspect once you refresh, it ought to come here. I think I ought to see all those cameras from there. Yes, you see now it's able to detect the camera now. So once you go to the view, both cameras are now on. Yeah, you can see the camera is now on. The camera is on. Both cameras, they are on now. I just had to refresh the screen, and good to go. So from Soft TV, thanks for watching this video, and please like, share, subscribe. In case of any query, please hit on us, comment on our Facebook page, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for connecting. See you until next time. Goodbye.